Welcome back to MS4 tutorials. Today we are going to see inserting illustrations. So how to insert SmartArt? You can insert SmartArt graphics in your document to effectively communicate your message. Place the cursor where you want to insert this graphic. Okay, I have placed my cursor here. See, select the insert tab here. In the illustration group, you can see here SmartArt command. Okay, click on that. See, a dialog box appears with a list of categories. In the center, you will see the illustrations available here. Okay. Uh, Select any illustration and click on OK. This is how we can insert SmartArt graphics in MS Word. How to add text in SmartArt? Word allows you to add text in SmartArt graphics. You can add facts, figures, and any other information. Okay, select the graphic. See here, when I have selected this graphic, a taskpan appears on the left side. If it is not visible, then click the arrow on the left side of this graphic. See, now it is not visible. Then when I click left side of this graphic, see, again this taskpan appears. You can type the text in taskpan field. It will appear in this graphic. See, I'm typing here. See, it was appearing in this graphic. And also you can directly type the text in this graphic text area also. And now close this taskpan. After entering the text, click outside of this graphic. Okay, this is how we can insert text in SmartArt. And how to insert picture in this document. See, pictures make your text more attractive and readable. You can insert relevant pictures in your text. See, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. So I'm placing my cursor here. See, I want to insert the picture here. So select the insert tab on the ribbons here. You can see here picture, click on that. We'll move to this folder section. I have saved the picture here. Click on that, select it, and click on insert. See, this is how we can insert picture in document. What was the next topic? How to insert clipart. Clipart refers to a graphic or a picture that you can insert in your document. It comes in different formats and styles. It is used to enhance the appearance of a document. Place the cursor where you want to insert the clipart. Okay, select the insert tab here. In this illustrations only, you can see here clipart. So when you click on that, you can see in the right side a taskpan appears. Enter the keyword in search for. Okay, I'm entering keyword as birds. Click on go. See here, we can see the images of the birds. Select anyone. See, this is how we can insert a clip art. What was the next topic? How to format picture or clip art. You can change the appearance of your picture or clip art to enhance its visual impact. The Format tab offers you various options for formatting pictures like changing color, line style, cropping, etc. Say select the picture or clip art. I'm selecting this clip art. I want to format this. So in the Format tab, see this Format tab appears in this ribbon. Okay, click on it. It displays a group of related commands to modify your clip art or picture. Okay, this was a different commands to modify your picture. You can change the shape of this picture, and you can color this. You can change the border color, and you can add effects to this picture also. Okay, this is how we can format pictures or clip art in MS Word. That's all for today. Thank you.